Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me for my breakfast meal prep video for this week. So for this week I'm going to have ham and egg cups. I'm going to bake them in the oven in a muffin tin. So I'm going to have this sliced ham, just got it in the deli meat section. I'm going to have some cheddar cheese, egg, and I'm going to add a little bit of spinach. I love adding spinach to my egg dishes. I think that they go really well together. So I'll put the recipe for this in the description box, but it's really easy to make. And I'll make it in my muffin tin in the oven. The oven is preheating to 350 degrees right now. So I'll get this all cooking. These are really easy. I have my muffin tin. I'm going to spray it with a little bit of cookie spray so that the ham does not stick to the bottom of the muffin tin. So I have sliced ham that I got in the deli meat section. So I'm going to put one piece in each cup. I'm gonna add in some spinach. So I tore the spinach into some small pieces. So I'm gonna put spinach in each cup on top of the ham. Next, I'm going to crack an egg into each cup on top of the ham and the spinach. These are really great, really easy. So I'm gonna crack the egg onto the top of each one, and then we'll put the cheese on, and then I'll cook these in the oven for about 25 minutes, and then our ham egg cups will be all ready to go. Alright, so these little ham egg cups are all ready to go. So they just pop right out of the little muffin tin. So they are just a perfect little single serving right here. So I'm going to add 2 to each of my meal prep containers. And then each day for breakfast, I can just put it in the microwave, heat it up, and it's ready to go. So check the description box if you want to make these. I'll have all the ingredients listed in there for you. I hope that you have a great day. Thanks for watching today's breakfast meal prep video. Like always, they're quick and easy and super healthy as well. So I hope that you liked this idea. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and click the bell button so that you get a notification each time I post a new video. I hope that you have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.